Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is the past tense. In this video, I will be explaining how to construct a sentence of past tense and how to change the sentences into negative and interrogative. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Varana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's learn the past tense. You remember tense means the most important part is verb. We have to identify the verb. We have to recognize verbs. Okay. If you understand verbs, there will not be any difficult to get tense. Okay. So first we notice to the verbs. Played, went. What kind of verbs are those? Those are second form of verbs. What is that? Played. You have known play is the verb. Its past form played. Okay. Past participle played. Same form. Past participle played. And last one playing. Right? Fourth form. This is verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4. The same way, go, went. Go is the first form, went is the second form. Third form gone, last form going. So here we used played. Played is the second form. You remember past tense is the second tense. Past tense present. Second tense past. As per the tense we use second form of verb. Past form of verb play. Second form played. So you use second form of verb. Okay. So what is the construction? I played. We played. You played. He played. She played. It played. They played. That means all kinds of subjects agree with the verb played. Okay. We don't change the verb form. But what you are doing, we change when you use only the difference I am saying. When for simple past, simple present, I go. When you write he, it becomes goes. We add es, somewhere we add s. Okay. So but both are simple present. But in this case, in simple past, there is not any change in verb. Okay. So with I played, with she played, with you we went, with she went. Right. This is the difference between simple past and simple present. This is simple when you use direct verb, direct second form of verb, that is simple past. Then come to next form. And how to change the sentence into, this is simple past, how to change the sentence into negative. When you change the sentence into negative, did comes out from play. That played means what is that? Played means did plus play. You remember, did plus play. That means in simple past, what verb is hiding? Hiding the verb did. When you change the sentence into negative or interrogative, that did becomes separated. Okay. So did not play, and when did being separated, there you use the V1, first form of a verb. Didn't play. We can't say didn't played. No, didn't play, didn't go. So what is that? I didn't play, we didn't play, you didn't play, he didn't play, she didn't go, like this. Then come to second form. Was going. Here you use played, direct second form of verb. But here one big. In negative what you did? We use did. So did is the simple past verb. Okay. And this is be verb. Okay. Be verb. Be verb was past be verb. This is do verb, past do verb. Did is past do verb. Was is past be verb. Was and where. Was and where. Was playing, were playing. Was going, were going. As for the subject, we use was or were. With subject I, he, she, it, we use was. I was playing. He was playing. She was playing. It was playing. I was going. He was going. She was going. It was going. Change the sentence into negative, not used just after the auxiliary verb. Because was playing, was is auxiliary verb, helping verb, and this is main verb. So just after helping verb, you use not. Was not playing, was not going. Then with we, you, they. They means all kinds of plural subjects. We use were. They were playing, they were going. When you change the sentence into negative, after were we use not. Okay. Then the next form, third form, I had played. Okay. This verb form had played. In first form we use do verb. Did is do verb, past do verb. In second form we use be verb, past be verb plus ing form of verb. And in the third form we use have verb, past have verb plus V3. Had played. So I had played. All kinds of subjects agree with had. So I had played, we had played, you had played, he had played, she had played, it had played, they had played. Okay. Its negative form just after you use not, hadn't played, hadn't gone. And fourth form, had been playing, had been playing. All kinds of subjects agree with had. So I had been playing, I had been going, we had been playing, we had been going. Right? In such way we construct the sentences. So we should know the structures. And past tense has how many forms and what are the constructors. Let's learn the structures. For simple past, I played football. The structure is subject plus verb to plus object. I did not play football because its negative form did not. Okay. I did not play football. Its structure subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Okay. Verb 1 plus object. Then did I play football? There also did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. This is the structure for simple past. Then for past continuous, he was reading a book. Subject plus was or were plus verb 4, ing form of verb, then object. For negative construction, subject plus was or were plus not plus before plus object. And plus interrogative construction, was or were plus subject plus V4 plus object. Okay. So these are the constructions for simple past and past continuous. Then structure for past perfect. They had plowed the land. Subject they, had plowed plus B3 plus object. So subject had B3 plus object. This is the structure for past perfect. Negative structure, subject plus hadn't plus B3 plus object. Interrogative structure, had plus subject, then V3 plus object, question mark. Then past perfect continuous. Past perfect, okay, continuous. Structure for past perfect continuous. Subject he had been V3. V4 working, had been working since or for any time, period of time or point of time. After since, point of time. After for, period of time. So what is the structure? Subject plus had been plus B4. ing form of verb is B4 plus any noun or adverb, anything, then since for, then time comes. Then negative structure, subject plus had not. After had you use not. Hadn't been plus before. Then interrogative structure, take had, first auxiliary to the front, had plus subject plus been plus before, then question mark. Right? In such way, we can know the past tense. We can construct the sentences. What you get from the concept? Past tense has 4 forms. One is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.